Actually got a little bird nest in here. Don't know if you can see that there. It's very small, and I think it's little tiny wrens. I've tried to watch them and they keep coming down collecting the food from here, and then they almost climb up the trunk of the tree, and you can see they've built a nest. I can almost hear them, I just don't want to get too close. I want to keep away really. But I used to have some conifer trees at the back and the blackbirds would nest in them. So it's since the conifer trees came down in the wind and we got rid of them and started again with the eucalyptus, some fruit trees, I didn't think I was going to get any more birds' nests back in the garden. I was tempted to put up some nesting boxes up there on that wall, up high, but sometimes the cats will jump from that roof onto that roof, and I didn't want to create a problem there. So yeah, maybe you can hear them just. It's hard to, I've got some starlings on the roof, so it's hard to hear the difference, but yeah, definitely a bird's nest there.